Hello, you are currently looking MG-99 model, which is produced by Antares Arms. You can request this model with a hard case like this or in a carton box. In either case, the contents will be not changed. Currently, we see the magazine-fed shotgun. Together with the shotgun, we see 3 magazines, 5 and 10 cartridge capacity. These cartridge capacities and quantities may vary depending on your request or your country's regulatory requirements. In addition to 3 magazines in the box, there is also a barrel dressing, an adjustable sight, another fixed sight, a spanner, a hand holder, and 3 different numbers of shocks, also a shocks box. First of all, I have to say that the surface of plastic and metal parts are really good. And also, it is Cerakote coated, and it gives us an opportunity for the other colors. The coating quality is exactly good. Also, when we check the balance, center of the balance of the shotgun, it's really good to handle it, to carry it, will not foresee a lot. The aluminum part, the aluminum part of forehand and the upper receiver is made by 7075 aluminum, and also the other parts, the barrel or the lock or the ball carrier inside, made by the steel 4140 steel. The average weight is 3.5 kilograms and the average length is 90 centimeters, but there is an adjustable push stock on it, so the length of the shotgun can be changed. The barrel length is 51 centimeter and it can be changed by your demands. The surface of the shotgun is really good, pretty good. But I know that for hunters or for clients or for the end users, inside of a shotgun is more important. To see the spare parts of the quality and to see the measurements of the critical points, we need to go to assembly line of the factory. Hello again. We are at the factory of Antares Arms in assembly line. Now we will see the inside parts, spare parts of MG-99 model magazine-fed semi-automatic shotgun. In the previous video we saw outside and shapes of the semi-automatic model. Now we will see the spare parts and we will try to show you the quality of the spare parts. Now, as bolt carrier we see here, it's 4140 steel and plating quality is perfect, it's shining, really good, and good machine work here is like a mirror too. And again, another part which is very important also, barrel lock, 4140 steel again, and the lock, same material, and also bolt. But first of all, I want to measure how it fits, the bolt and the lock. Let me show you like this. Okay, really good. Okay, it's locked. No space inside. I make it first. And if there is no space, it means that there will be no damage after the shooting. You can use it for all your life. And the other parts, trigger parts, this part is important for hunters because feeling is really good, machine work is good, and plating is really nice, it's shining. Yeah. And the inside of the barrel, okay, you see it here. The spare parts, okay. Now we will measure with the tools. I prefer to measure inside with the SIP test instruments, SIP test tools like this. So you can easily use it in European countries, also in some other countries, they need SIP tests. In SIP laboratories, they measure them all, and we will do the same tests here. Now we see on the table all spare parts disassembles here, MG-99 model, semi-automatic fed magazine shotgun. In here we see handguard here for hand, 7075 aluminum. We talked about the surface and machine work before. And the lower receiver part, upper receiver part, again quality aluminum, and railway Picatinny here. You can use other kinds of accessories here, and we see the side here, and also the other one is here. Okay, and also here barrel is drilled barrel with mobile shock inside, but I will measure the chamber inside with the SIP instruments, SIP tools. Now first we'll look the green one, which must be passed here. Okay, perfect. It stops in the right place here. And the other side, it must be going to. Okay, good. Perfect. Another one with the rest stick here, it mustn't go in. It's not passed. It mustn't be passed. Okay, it stops here. It doesn't go inside. And also, yeah, it doesn't go. It's okay. But after the assembling, we will use other parts, other tools. One is with red. With this tool, it mustn't be locked. And with the green one, it must be locked. We will test it after we make the assembling. Now the master of Antares arms is here now. Now we will assemble the MG-99 model magazine-fed semi-automatic shotgun. By this way, we see how to assemble it. If you need to clean your shotgun at your home, you can watch this video and make the assembling easily. All spare parts are standard. Okay. Also with the box, you will have this too, to lock it. Gas block with O-ring, okay. Lower receiver part. We use a plastic hammer there, not metal hammer. And the buffer part is assembled and buttstock. Okay, now assemble the boot. It's okay. And the last part, aluminum forend. Okay, assembling is finished. Now our master will look with the measurement tools of SIP test if it's locked or not. This is red one. It mustn't be locked when we use it. Let me check it. Is it locked? No. Okay. And this is the green one. It must be locked when we use it. Okay, that's good. Let me take it. Okay. Now it's finished, it's ready for hunting. But before we put it in the box, we will make this shooting test here in the factory and we will see inside after that. The shooting test finished and we used different grams of cartridge and they are all okay. It passed. Now it's ready to go to packing part, but we will put some quality control stamps on it. Our master, yeah. Okay. Not too damaged in the carton box. And it's written there, quality control is okay. Okay, it's ready. They want to send it to packing part to put in a carton box, but I don't let them go because I want to see its performance in outdoor. I want to make some shooting in outside and see how it works. Then I will say okay or not, but probably it works really nice. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Hello again. We are now in a beautiful place in outdoor. As you remember in the previous videos, we introduced you the models of bullpup model and automatic shotgun, which is magazine fed in the factory, and we showed you the spare parts and we measured all details inside. Inside was quite good and the cover, the plating quality is really good. But for us, the important thing is to see the performance in outdoor in hunting. Now today we will test our shotguns with different kinds of cartridge. For example, I have different types. One is 28 grams and the other one is 32 grams. Also I want to test it for a group mount test with this cartridge. And also to see how powerful is 50 gram Magnum cartridge. And the last one, I want to see the performance with a slug cartridge. Now my friend will make some shootings and we will see how performance we can get from these shotguns. First of all, now we start with the group mount test. For group mount test, I have a cartridge, 32 gram cartridge, number 6, and my friend will assist me to make the group mount test. Now, let's go to target and let's count how we did it. We finished all tests, group mount tests and the performance tests. The balance of the shotgun is really good. It will not make any problem, make any sense in shooting, in sports or in hunting. You can advise the shotguns to your old friends or hunters. Have a nice day. Thank you for listening to us. Hope to see you in a new production.